Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and once you see the screen you can swipe up on the screen to open the app menu. And here we have it. And we can customize this menu in a couple of ways. We can move the icons around, change the order of the icons. We can remove the icons, which basically will uninstall the application you removed from the menu. And we can also put the icons into a folder to group them together. To move the icons, press and hold on the one you want to move, keep holding on it, and then drag it to the position you want it to be in, and then release it. Oh, I basically put it in the folder. Let me move it back somewhere here, like that. This is a bit wonky. Don't put it in the folder, please. Just, yeah, drop it. Okay, finally. Basically, you can drop it somewhere else. To put the icons in the folder, as you saw before, you simply press and hold on the icon, then drop it on different icon to put them back, or rather to put them in the folder. You can change the name of the folder by tapping on folder name. Like this. You can change the color of the folder if you want to, and you can also add more icons to it by tapping on the plus button, like that. And once you're done, you can go back, and here we have our folder. And to remove the icons from the menu, press and hold on one, come on, tap on uninstall. The app will be uninstalled from your watch and the icon will disappear, like this. You can also customize this in the phone application if your phone, or rather if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring our phone in, like this, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And now let's open the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see your Galaxy Watch 6 right here on the page, and now you can tap on the app screen. And here we can customize the app menu. We can again move the icons by pressing and holding on one and then dropping it in the place you want it to be in. You can remove the icons by pressing and holding on one and then tapping on uninstall. This one can't be removed, I believe. Can it be? No, we can't remove this one. Maybe music. Yeah, some of the apps you won't be able to uninstall. Okay, we can uninstall the music. And if you uninstall it, the icon will disappear. And to put the icons in a folder, simply press and hold on the icon and drop it on the folder or the other icon to group them together. So you can drop it right here to put them in the folder. You can also drop the icons on the folder to put them in the folder. And of course you can change the folder name and the color if you want to, right here in the app. And once you're done, you can tap on save to save the settings. And if you open the app menu, you will see that the change applied. Okay, and that's how you customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.